So Errol, we've had lunch, we've had dinner. The perfect way to end off the day is with some traditional Sri Lankan entertainment. Let's get into the skin of it.
Sure.
The classical way of enjoying ourselves.
You have onions, right?
That's how you perfectly end the day.
Very nice.
Errol, I hope you got into the skin of Sri Lanka now.
Yeah.
I hope you got the full experience, what it truly means to get into the skin of the country.
Yeah. So
Really
that's the
very good.
local brew you have, right?
That's the local brew, the
Close to
most,
evening.
the most special and the most unique thing that we have here is our Arrack.
Right.
People often enjoy our Arrack a lot.
Right.
So let's get a taste of it, shall we?
Sure.
And then
Yeah.
end off the day with some nice snacks. The fish that we baked earlier,
Yeah.
and some Sri Lankan style omelets.
Okay. Sure. Let's go for it.
Right.
I'm ready.
Here you go.
Thanks, Dave.
Cheers.
Very strong. So, these particular instruments, are they only played in Sri Lanka, or is this something that which is brought to Sri Lanka?
It's so these instruments are like even more than 200-300 years ago. We
Right.
never know where it originated from, but
Right.
us Sri Lankans, we've been using these instruments for a long time now.
Long time.
These particular instruments are like over 50 years old. Only
So
these ones.
These gentlemen have been musicians for a long time.
They have been since
They-
their generations. They've been doing
They
the
play
same
only
thing.
Sri Lankan classical music.
Yes, yes, as you heard
Good.
before.
Tell them it was really nice.
Yeah, yeah. Music ek hondara gehuwa.
Can I try some of these?
Yes, yes. So of course. So this is called the dolki.
What's
It's
it called?
A dolki.
A dolki.
The dolki. Yes. This is
Okay.
a very traditional Sri Lankan drum.
Right. The wood is, what is the wood? It's
oh.
very nice.
Yes, I'm the wood. Glad you asked the question because the wood is actually made from coconut, the bark of a coconut tree.
Is it?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
the coconut tree has a lot of uses, right?
A lot of uses. We make the most use of our nature.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Can I try it?
Go ahead, please. මේ මහත්තයාට පොඩ්ඩක් try
just
කරන්න
want to
දෙන්න.
see the and the skin, right?
The authentic sound.
Tell him it's well tuned.
හොඳට tune කරලා තියෙනවා.
And that's you blow manually.
Blow
It's sort of a
yes.
manual organ,
It's
right?
a manual organ, exactly, exactly. So Errol, I hope you enjoyed our
I got
evening.
Wow.
Yep, that's how it works. Basically a manual organ.
It's a manual organ, right? It's a mini manual organ.
Manual organ.
You know what?
Mm.
I think I got Sri Lanka into me now.
It's in your skin.
Top
You got
to
the,
bottom.
the whole experience.
From the breakfast to the lunch to the dinner, what you have taught me, everything, the landscape, the fish, the authenticity of the food. You know, it's a true experience.
I'm glad you feel that
Yeah.
way, because that's our mission.
So I learned something which I didn't tell you yet.
Mhm.
Bohoma istuti.
You have got into the skin of it. I
Thank
can
you.
see that. Right. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers
Drink for Sri Lanka.
for Sri Lanka.